Children, today we are going to learn about birds and we will learn about parrot. Parrot is a very beautiful bird. Its wings are green. It has a red beak. Its beak is bent. There are some black circles on the neck of the parrot. Overall, it is a very attractive bird. It eats grains, fruits, leaves, and it likes to eat chili. Parrot is a talking bird. It can speak the human voice. Okay. A parrot usually lives in a tree. And what is the spelling of parrot? P-A-R again R-O-T. Parrot. Okay. Let's see the sound.
सब्जियां दाना खाता